Ever wondered why Apple, a company that started out in a garage, is now a global powerhouse valued at over $1 trillion? The secret lies not just in the quality of their products, but also in their masterful use of digital marketing. Picture this. It's the early 2000s and Apple is about to launch the iPod. The world has seen portable music devices before, but nothing quite like this. The challenge: to make people understand why they need an iPod in their pockets. So, what did Apple do? They didn't focus on the technical specifications of the iPod. Instead, they painted a picture of a world where your entire music collection could fit in your pocket. They told stories of people dancing to their favorite tunes, anywhere, anytime. They made the iPod a must-have lifestyle product, rather than just another gadget. This, dear listeners, is the essence of digital marketing, storytelling. It's about understanding your audience and creating content that resonates with them. It's about crafting a narrative that not only informs but also engages and inspires. And Apple didn't stop there. They continued to use the power of digital marketing with every new product. The iPhone, the MacBook, the Apple Watch, each one launched with a story that made it more than just a piece of hardware. Now, let's take a closer look at the principles of digital marketing that Apple employed. Firstly, know your audience. Apple knew that their audience was not just tech enthusiasts, but anyone who enjoyed music. Secondly, create compelling content. Apple didn't just list the features of the iPod, they created a narrative around it. Thirdly, engage with your audience. Apple used social media, email marketing, and their website to communicate with their customers, answer their questions, and build a community around their brand. Lastly, measure your success. Apple constantly tracked their marketing campaigns' performance, allowing them to tweak and improve their strategies over time. So, there you have it. The story of how Apple used the principles of digital marketing to become a global powerhouse. They knew their audience, created compelling content, engaged with their audience, and measured their success. Remember, digital marketing is not just about selling products. It's about telling stories, understanding your audience, and creating a connection with them. It's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can transform a small garage startup into a global powerhouse. And who knows, with the right digital marketing strategy, perhaps your brand could be the next Apple.